The Export Products feature is useful for quickly updating prices and product information in a certain category. First, I'll show you how to export products from a category page. If you're on the front of your website, if you'd like to export all the products from this category and the subcategories within, you hover over the URL string up top. You can copy the category ID here. From within the admin, hover over Catalog, click on Products, and you'll notice Export Excel. We're going to click this. From this page, you can check mark a few of the identifiers, include product ID, include product and image URL, and we're going to paste in the category ID that we copied earlier here. And all you need to do is generate a new file, and you'll notice below that there's a link here that we can click to download, and that will have all the products assigned under that category and its subcategories. Here's what that Excel file looks like once you've downloaded it. You'll notice column A has the product ID, column B the SKU. And here you can do your bulk pricing changes, and anything that you need to do in mass editing is done easily through the Excel file. Once you've completed the steps on editing, you can save it and re-upload it back into the system through import. In addition to this, if you'd like to search your site and export based on a SKU, you can also do that here. You'll notice on this particular SKU, we've got quite a few parent and child products assigned to this SKU. What we need to do is copy the prefix of the SKU here under the item number and return to the admin under the Products Export Excel page. And instead of typing in the category ID, we're going to paste in the SKU prefix here. We can include any other additional items on the export, generate a new file, and you'll notice after this is generated, we have 166 successfully exported product SKUs. And here's an example of the Excel file once we've downloaded it and opened it up. You'll notice under column B, we have the SKU and all the SKU suffixes based on size and color. And again, this is a great way to do mass changes to pricing or any other data. Once you're done making those changes, just make sure to save the file, re-import it, and everything that you've changed will be automatically updated.